Rice cake machine SYP8080X2 scale shape. Titanium Coated Mold for Russia. Alright, much better. Alright. Alright. 아유, 되게 좋아졌어 아까보다. Okay, it's a switch box is up position. The temperature 260. Speed 4.7, thickness 50, and depth of core is 4.5 as a first setting. Okay. And pressure. The 20 pressure. Okay, and for the cylinder valves, the light is moving as per the cylinder mold movement. Motor and pump, oil tank and fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice. Feeding plate. Sorry, 조금만 쌀 더 넣죠. Okay, proc sensor is when the feeding plate is fully back to the end, its proc sensor is on. To go forward, it's turn off. Otherwise, you cannot go to the next step. Okay, drive motor and gear head, and oil valve here. Pressure valve and lift valve. The valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench. Counterclockwise increase pressure, unclockwise decrease pressure. And that's the Okay, and control box is inverter 6000 and SSL breaker and contactor, relays and PCB is the brain of this machine. Oil tank here, hydraulic oil 10 liters inside.
아니 저번에 이거 뭐 충고가 안 들어갔다고 그래서 제가 넣고
Very nice. Okay.